Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by fixing one clear goal and limiting scope to 1 to 3 tasks so you can iterate quickly. Once done, pick a deployment channel, web, mobile, or a messaging app, and choose a compatible SDK or API. Make sure to create the cloud project, obtain an API key, and install the necessary libraries. You should initialize a simple repo, add a README, and write the minimal code to call the model. That first request proves the pipeline works. Now you build the conversational core. Define intents, required slots, and what context must persist between turns. Once done, craft robust prompt templates or system messages that guide behavior and modularize them so you can iterate. Connect the model to your backend using clear API wrappers, add middleware for input validation, and implement state storage for context. Make sure to add logging, automated tests, and a local simulator to validate flows before any public rollout. To finish, deploy with CI/CD and containerization or a managed service so deployments are repeatable. Keep API keys in secrets management. Once live, monitor latency, error rates, and user satisfaction, and enable easy rollbacks. Make sure to add rate limits, input sanitation, and graceful fallback responses for unknown queries. If things go wrong, debug by replaying logs and isolating the failing prompt. That single troubleshooting tip, reproduce the bad conversation locally, will often reveal whether it's a prompt, state, or integration issue.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.